okay. Yeah, I got it. Oh, I'm just so happy. I just really like this. And I'm on a different version of Minecraft. And I'm just exploring. I feel so. Uh, I'm just. I don't know how to say it, but I have finally got my boy. Wonder what it is. It's not these. I'm just gonna look at them. 1 out of 10. Sure. See, star. Yeah, I'm gonna paint this one. Hey, what you? This is just so cool. I'm just driving a. Yeah, I'm just going. Let's see. What? What the heck? Life is new, Ada. Now that's just great. And see the old one. But anyways, I am making a railway. Put it away and yeah, me and my friend Draftmaster. This just gets so. Wait, 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 minute. Wait, do they got? They. I think this is James' class. James's class. I don't know. You're gonna have to put in the comments. Yeah, I'm just. Oh my God, this looks like James if he didn't got that one part of his bogey. Let's see if he can blow his whistle. That is just so high pitched and stupid. Just like James. Oh, we can move him. Yay! Wait, we can move him. Yay! So, anyways, we need to be working on building, not screwing around, which I love doing because I get to finally see. And this would probably be like a old railway. Look, A2. Raven A2. What is with? Oh, something's wrong with this. Like, I'm like, something wrong with this tender? Oh, like, Caledonian Blue? Oh my God, this is just. I got Caledonian Railway engine. Just imagine. Yeah, we'll have to get rid of this. Hmm. Oh my goodness. This is just. I'm having too much fun. Even the thing changed. No. Okay, so I gotta get rid of these. Okay, when or should I not build the station here? Yeah, don't. Yeah, so I'll show you later. That no one wants water on this railway. I'll probably add like probably build a ton. Are you serious? Do I really gotta screw this time? We gotta set it dead. No, okay, I swear. If it changes on me, yeah, I'm gonna be so mad. And hey, we got a GWR. Oh, I did not know. Nope, we're getting an engine. I feel like this is one of Wild Northwestern's engine. William. Oh, this is so unrealistic. No, no. I do not like that engine now. You clear this world because not. Lord knows. Lord no. This is a little bit. What is this thing? It looks like a Timu version of like a like freaking. Hey, you. I can't use a gun because the my aim sucks. Haha. That's way. Okay, am I supposed to be killing? No. So I gotta get to work. Wait, no. There! Think this is Neville? Probably not. Oh, this. Oh, oh, this very. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Can I change? This looks. That looks just so stupid. That's why I call Neville. That is definitely Neville. Then I just show. And that's just. Am I just screwing around with bows and arrows? But anyways, I need to get back to work. Anyways, we're gonna build. I think I'm just gonna build like a. Yeah, I got the. What's this? Oh, no one else. Hey, so the bars. That's just stupid. Yeah, it's not even bigger. That's just so dumb and stupid. Wait, B2. B1. Hey, does it look good? Yes. This is just gonna be a bridge, really. Sadly, I'm gonna have to try to find. Actually, I'm gonna do. Oh wait, I'm just gonna do it later. Add gun mod so that I don't have to use both. I rather use guns because they're more like, put your hands up or you dead, boy. With the dead meat, you know. Or I'm gonna no scope you, boy. Okay, this, yeah, I love this. Hey, hey, that looks good. Okay. Anyway, time to build. Time for building. Okay, so it's gonna have to be like a. We'll have to look at the area. What? Turn? Like, I just started this world and yeah. Yeah, and if you hear clicking, that's just me. Just. I can't see crap. Why is it so narrow? serious. I need. Yeah, I gotta try to find out how all clicker works. Are you seriously joking? I work on unrealistic. There's something that I don't understand. Like, yeah, I probably go and talk about random shua anyway. So I don't understand why some people just copy other people's video and some YouTubers act like they want to go to jail. Like, it makes no sense. Why would someone want to go to jail or do something that can get them in jail? Why? Because people or some people aren't. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking before I get canceled by someone. Okay, anyways, this is a build that I'm gonna be working on, like a project. Now I got no wait. Oh, and I just make this a underground railway for no reason, and because why not? Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn about turntables and other stuff. I'm put it away. I'm still a beginner. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Every spot. Uh, this is why someone comes like, oh look, what? I'm just gonna add stone. Cause oh, you gotta be seriously joking. There. Okay, so now I have to place the track. Now I'm gonna make the turn. Oh, oh no! Yeah, let's just pretend that never happened. Do 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 do. Nothing happened. Now we're going. Oh, why do I get past the jelly? It's just stupid. feel like I want to make this like a 60. No, I do not want it up there. There. Okay, what? Oh. It's gonna be. And then I just see Union Pacific 4014 just go, "Hi, buddy, happy America!" Just for no reason. No, no, so they were cleared. Now I gotta fix this, which is gonna be annoying. I'm gonna see if there's any fast place. Dang it. How do I filter one? Yeah, point 16. Oh, hey, hey, that actually helps. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna keep working. We'll actually pause. Yeah, I was just watching. Now I'm just going to X out that. And don't ask about any of these. Yeah, I got stupid ideas when I'm bored. Meanwhile, when I wait, I'm just gonna look at train. Oh, yeah, this is me just doing some like random things. Oh, fun fact, was my first ever my version of my friend Brendan's OC Brendan, which I accidentally said it was my OC Brendan on a other video that I made, which is kind of a little bit stupid from me saying, yeah. So like, there's stuff that I don't understand that people still do, like. Oh, for a sec, I thought that Aryan bird face was dang it, hurry up. This YouTube. So when I wait, I'll show you like a somewhat tutorial video how you change 2019 if you want to change faces. I'm gonna find the model that I want to use as a other numbers. Hmm. Okay, first of all, just fix that. Now, I changed his face to Edward. It just don't look good. Oh, this is a face that is not a version that I like. So, what was it? Oh, and close. So, what I'm doing is opening the open a config file so that I can like change the face. And you're gonna have to go all the way down to library, and that's where the face pack belongs. I copy and paste by using Control V. Now hit save, X out, and go back. I hit submit, hit edits, and oh, first let me just finish it. So if when it says modify, then boom. Now there will always be a chance where it shows it does not work. It didn't work. They just want to be stupid. That has happened to me once. Trust me, you don't want to feel the pain, of having a very good model, and then after you change the face pack, and then it's just be like, hey, you can't use this no more because it's broken. Ha 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 ha! Have a merry, painful week. That's me sometimes. It's just, yeah, when it's just me. So wait, so how does this thing work? Uh, hmm. The no, wait. There's an RAL. Okay. Oh, okay, now I'm done. See if I can now put. Wait, does this? I gotta see if it do that stupid thing where it spawns more than just one. Oh, okay. So I like the mod that I'm using for replacing down. So yeah, I did that rant. Now I just have to keep. No nice that. Now yeah. This is somewhat like a video for fun. I only do YouTube for fun and show what I do for fun. Oh, oh, and on that villager that walked on the line, and I pulled out the Glock and killed him. Yeah, that was because for bad trades, villagers always have to be like, hey, this villager did something bad. Oh, just give him a bad trade and he'll learn. 2 seconds later, Jim. And let's just And this is Jimmy has died because he was shot by a, am I telling this right? A Glock 19. That's like, so what? They had guns now? Yay! I can finally go to the shooting range. Yippee! Sometimes I just, okay, do I really got extended? Okay, at this point, I'm just going to say the 60 to a 50. I think I was using a 90. I don't know. What? Are you seriously kidding me? Ah! Oh, wait. It's got, okay, I feel like I'm going insane. But yeah, this is, I only do videos for fun. And yeah. And when I don't do videos, I just do random things. Like I work on Minecraft Worlds, I play Roblox, I play trains, I just do whatever. Yeah. Are you seriously joking? Why really got jump? Well, oh, well, since it's being helpful, my yeah, I'm just going to use 30. Never mind, I'm just going to use 40. Okay, so yeah, I gotta do that all again with a steam engine, another part of rail. Oh my god, that's so loud. So if I put it right here, then ah, Minecraft, why you have frames? I'm just trying to build. Oh, and that's why I call something loud stupid sometimes. I'm trying to make a double line. Not a single line, a double line, so that I don't have to be like, yeah. Oh, there's a train. Oh, wait, there's your put another train? Yeah? What's wrong? There was already a train. Ah, trains explode and everybody dies. The end. That's what's literally just gonna happen. Train driver dies because someone was so careless. So yeah. What? Before the dang grapple. Haha, the gravel couldn't follow me. Nee, 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 nee. Yeah, I'm just rage baiting gravel. It's great to be in shit in World War II. Huff, 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 huff. Wait, then now she playing sound. And then engine dies because of explosion because of Nazi idiots that joined the Nazi. Yeah, I'm not hating on. No, I'm not hating on in Germany. Yeah, it was just a stupid thing that was just like for the dumb things people did for the dumb things that Germany did in World War II. It's just unbelievably stupid. Oh, bars, cover that up. Don't look like I'm trying to make a double, triple dipple no scene in in line. Goodbye. Okay, so I got a build from here. Nope. Yeah, okay, so I got build. This is gonna be my biggest project of the yeah. I can't always tell who if I feel like I'm always in trains. And this is not gonna be a modern railway, this is just gonna be steam, how I like it. Because steam engines were the first steam train to be around. Like, now diesels are taking over because steam engines are old and yeah, some steam engines are old and they can't pull the amount of cars that like stronger diesels can do. I'm not having a one. It's just so stupid. So I'm going to make it a 90. How I like it. So now I gotta find out how. Okay, I'm gonna have to use. I'm gonna use a 70. Oh, which one? This. Oh, oh wait. Never mind. I'm just gonna use the 30. 30 word. Serious. I apologize. Oh wait. So this is. I'm gonna have to find out how to make like. This is just gonna be one huge loop. One sec. And yeah, if I like, this is like a for fun. I only do this for fun because like trains are like trains are like big things that were like big machines that trains are like big cars that would cost more. Trains are like cars. They both go they crash, people can die in them, and they everything can happen. Like they 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 can be scrap, they can be bought, they can you can make like a but trains are different. They're bigger, stronger, or more for heavy explodes. Like, for example, for the modern diesel, if steam engines have been found out, then and diesels wouldn't be around. And yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about no more. I'm just talking when I'm building my railway. On a live one day, I've been working on the railway, and yeah, this railway is gonna also have flying Scotsman. Because who thinks I'm only about the man who the most famous engines of the world? Oh wait, I gotta make it 30. Oh, okay. Yeah, these turns are getting bendy, bit turny. Are you serious? I'm gonna research. I don't know how to spell command. Oh, way I'm late. There. Finally. But when the railway done being constructed, I'm gonna re-add. I can't tell what was the strongest. Now I just have to make it a 1. And yeah. Now I have to make a bridge and then right there like a slow. Okay, but oh my god. Can't make it a 1. I'm gonna make it a 20. How does that look? That just scared me. Just bro. I think I'm just gonna have to break a block there. Those two. Hmm. Okay. So, yeah. This is a full project for me to be working on. So, second of all, I need to fix here. Anyways, I need to turn it a straight. Straight and smooth. Straight and smooth. As saying what the definition of what? So I need to make 100% and don't different, don't different. I remember one time when okay, who made that and they're gonna die from sharpness. No, I'm not. textures with like the one shua. Okay, that sounds so weird. I'm like, have my throat. Never do that if you don't want to have a sore throat. Well, that's close. I'm more than doing in daylight. This is, I feel like this is like a, oh my goodness. Wait, is there like a, wait, can I use a paintbrush on this? Let's see. Dang it! Oh, that's just wasted some of my time. Wait, I think I can use a paintbrush on this. If I can, I'm gonna be so happy. If I can't, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh, dark blue. It still has it's tornado. The A1, the A1 steam locomotive truss. Wait, can no, 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 no! You're not. I wish I had all. But yeah, just going to get rid of this part. Now I just gotta get stone, and now I'm just gonna get rid of the. Was there diamonds? Hey, and good. Diamond chisel? What's that? Let's see. Let me just test it on stone real quick. Awesome. Okay, that's just so stupid. Anyways, I want my railway. Look good. Not stupid, but good. Shotgun shell, shotgun shell. But yeah. Okay, so now. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is not all going to be like a realistic. I'm gonna try and make it as realistic as I can. And this is my biggest project building and what I expected. And I want this railway to be British. And yeah, I like this, how this is going. Should I make the... Or let me just... Yeah, I just heard my sister be like, "What's that?" So I'm just got... Now I just have to work on filling this in, possibly watching a tutorial video how to build, probably not. I have to make my own. build has gone smooth. So fully what I've done, let me just find tank engine. Oh, that'll work. This will work. Or some I have. Probably just going that. Like oh, I just found out. This looks so much like Wilbert. So right here you see where the build progress over here. Dang, not this again. Wait, what the? Wait, what does what does this? Oh, finally we can blow their whistles. Feels like it's Halloween. Blow your whistles like it's Halloween. Robson. Oh, I think I just found Jeffrey. Jeffrey, my boy. I gotta find his tender real quick. Hey, that looks good. Oh, God. That was... Oh, that looks good. No, that's just LAR. I'm just gonna use this. That just looks too big. LAR. Oh. Does he got bogies? Yeah, he do. Really just be scrolled. Oh, American tender. And wait, what does he look like with this tender? Hey, that looks good. That looks so good. Good. Approved. That's so much approved. Nope. So, wait, can I blow this one? That's a little bit annoying. Okay, so, right here, I'm gonna make it a block, like a... First of all, I got... Yeah, I'm gonna look on and train stations and take, like... Yeah, I'm gonna just take some... In here. I wanna make it like a... Not a modern railway. I want to make it like the old days. But anyways, I like this. And I might stop on the video and probably end it. And for one final thing before I end it, just look at and probably wonder what do you mean my boy he's in the game. It is the LARP1 first ever her favorite engine. I think that's British. My first, I think it. Yeah, it was the 9F first. Okay. I like it. One last thing. This is the beginning of, yeah, the British Railway. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to just copy and paste. I suck at it. This is probably my most successful railway that I'm working on. But yeah, this is where the video is going to end up here. And yeah, bye.